Hey, it's Joe Glines. In this video with Excel and AutoHotkey, I'm just going to demonstrate a really simple function for deleting blank columns or blank rows. So sometimes I would get data from various suppliers, whatever, and they would have all these columns in here that didn't have anything. And it was really annoying because I, for the most part, often didn't want the blank columns. So so we can just call Excel. Let's do delete blank column. You need to, of course, tell it to connect to the given object, and this just looks through the entire worksheet. So I'm going to save it, reload it, and run it, and bam, they're just gone, right? So it's a nice, simple thing. Of course, let's comment that out. Delete blank rows. I know there's no blank rows at the moment, but Excel delete blank row, because it should put plural, but anyway. So I'll insert a couple rows here and say, oh, didn't put my pointer in there. Save, reload it, run it, and there it goes. Now there is a little bit of error checking in here. So if you run it without any blank rows, it should come back and say, hey, there's no missing rows or there's no missing columns. So for each of those, but it's a super handy function for me that when you just want to go through and clear out a bunch of unneeded columns. Cheers.